What we have today is a lot of new stuff. To complete the bike, these are the rally tanks, a carbon skid plate and a Scott's steering damper. Alright, look what came in. RadeGarage stuff.
Carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber. More carbon fiber. More carbon fiber. The moment of truth. Nice. Serious stuff. And all kind of metal brackets.
How happy are you? Is it Christmas already?
It's Christmas already. Nice.
Goud ook.
But we are not there yet. A full carbon fiber skid plate. This is the full carbon skid plate with multiple layers. So interesting to see what it weighs. 1.87.
1871.
Very lightweight. Very strong. Secret. Little dig.
Yeah, it's alright. 2.76. Not the most accurate way.
And they are good for 17 liters in total, instead of the 21 original. So we are going to apply the stickers, because we are prepared to match the rest of my bike. With the help of motorrig. Lekker zo die lamp achter jou. Je hoofd glimt helemaal.
Fixen we wel.
We applied MotoStill graphics with breathable cuts into the graphics. So this will fit my bike instantly. I'm happy. We are ready for the assembly. See you at the garage of JB Motoren. Welcome to the garage of JB Motoren. And I laid everything on the ground. We are ready to install the full RadeGarage kit. We're gonna make a proper rally bike out of the KTM. So here's the bike on the bridge already. This is the area where we do all our maintenance. Jarno is our mechanic. He knows almost everything, so he helps us with stuff we don't know, like the camshaft check, which we did a couple of weeks ago. Everything from RadeGarage is inside now, so we can start rebuilding this bike into a proper rally bike. I laid everything on the ground, let me show it to you. These are all the parts that we are going to install. These are the carbon parts and the tanks, and we have the carbon skid plate as well. And there are a couple of other bikes in the garage. This bike is running my old graphics, so that's very nice. And here you have my bike in the current state. I'm already running the RadeGarage tower. A new steer will be mounted, including a steering damper from Scott's. Everything will be so nice. So, a little tour to the garage. We changed our tires here as well. 2 bridges. We are not going too much into detail in the installation, because RadeGarage itself does have a very good video on the installation. It's actually quite ridiculous what we are going to do today. And what nice is, we have this RadeGarage rally build from Rick standing here. We have 2 RadeGarage builds at the garage later today. And if we can't figure anything out, we have the example bike standing over here. We need to take out the fuel pump from the original tank and put it in the new one. You can reuse the original fuel lines. We're using their explanation video on YouTube on how to install the cooling liquid thingy.
Expansion tank.
Expansion tank. Thingy works every time. And what they did is they marked all their bags with pack 1, pack 2, 3 and 4. And this is the bracket which goes under the stairs. What we are going to install first is the Scott's damper, because this is required for the installation of the tanks. This goes on top and the tanks will be mounted in these holes. Very easy installation. Here's the plate I just told you. It goes on here. So here is one ball coming from outside, and here is another one. Alright, we installed all the brackets, so now the first tank can go on the right side. You reuse a couple of hoses to install it on the cooling liquid tank thingy. Rick has joined the party as well. Hello Rick.
Hello.
Okay, we are now ready to install the left side.
We are 2.5 hours deep in this build. Just mounted the tanks, left and right. As you can see here, these are the brackets for the radiator covers and also for the side panels. We're now going to mount all the fuel lines below to connect them left and right. After that, it's plugging the electrical wiring in, top box, and then it's almost done. So it's going very quickly.
Right.
Staat hij al aan? Oh. Well, this is the carbon skid plate. Jarno is now, I don't know what it's called. Blind klinkmoer. For all your English followers. A blind klink. Nut. I don't know if you can see it. So this one goes through, and then with a special thingy, it gets pulled out, and then it's you don't have to put a nut behind it, but it just sits like this. So that's pretty nice. Then we mount the sides, and then it's going under the bike. Yes, very nice.
Okay guys, we're finished. It's freaking awesome. We have the carbon skid plate, carbon, everything carbon. With the Scott's steering damper. We're gonna replace the steer handlebar. We're gonna replace we're gonna replace the handlebar later. We are done for the day. The rally tanks are on. It's a real rally bike in this setup. It's looking like a 690 now, with the power of an 890.
So I'm gonna exaggerate a little bit, but when the bend is less, your arms are like this and then it's comfortable. But with off-road riding you want this body position. So that's why the microphone is falling into my neck. If you have a little less back sweep, the natural position is more like this instead of when your arms are like this. So this is better. And then you
And since you've made it this far into my video, please use my personal RadeGarage discount code. It will give you 15% off everything with a minimum of 1000.